If you want to add fingerprint into your Realme 14 Pro, start by opening settings and then scroll down for security and privacy. Then go below and move for device unlock. And right here, go into fingerprint and face unlock. Select fingerprint, click agree for that statement of use, input your current screen lock, and now you'll have to click add now. Then we have to place your finger on the sensor, and when you feel vibration or when you see the changes on the icon, you will have to lift your finger and put it back. So you will have to scan a left side of your finger, right side, top, bottom part, middle part, and that's how you can do this. If it is not working, then you can even try to scan your second fingerprint and it's gonna work. So just wait until you fulfill this animation, and now it's finished. You can click down. You can additionally turn on face unlock if you want, and here you can use the fingerprint for some other things like right here, and that's how it actually looks.